The jungle is Eden. It covers less than 6% of the Earth's surface, but it's home to half of all the plants and animals on land. Jungles have just the right amount of light, water and nutrients, and they have had every day for millennia. Life here should be easy. This is an indri. It's a primate like us, and these forests in Madagascar are its home. But to survive here, it has to face one major challenge. Paradise is crowded. Life fills every niche. And at any one time, a staggering variety of species and countless individuals are striving for space and food. Like every jungle animal, indri have to find their own way to survive in the most competitive place on Earth. Jungles are complex places, tangled three-dimensional worlds created by lush tropical vegetation. 90% of the animals here spend their whole lives up in the trees, and each of them has to find its own way of getting around. Hanging 30 meters above the ground, a spider monkey. They travel in family groups and find everything they need in the top story of the jungle.